Hello friends, today we are in for a treat as we leave the beautiful city of Split behind and drive south towards Dubrovnik. As you know, we are on our 12-country road trip and currently exploring Croatia. Do check out my previous videos where we explored Zagreb, Split and Trogir. And get ready because Dubrovnik is something truly special. As we drive from Split to Dubrovnik for around 3 hours, you will notice the scenery shift with rugged cliffs and crystal clear waters leading us to this iconic city of Dubrovnik. Split, which is known for its Roman ruins like Diocletian Palace, Dubrovnik's charm lies in its well-preserved medieval old town surrounded by massive city walls. Split has more modern vibe with ancient history blended in, while Dubrovnik feels like stepping back in time with its cobblestone streets, stunning Baroque architecture and picturesque setting by the Adriatic Sea. So Dubrovnik has a lot of tag names like Pearl of Adriatic, one of the most famous nicknames highlighting its stunning coastal beauty and historical charm. Other tag name is Slavic Athens due to its rich cultural and intellectual history, especially during the time of Republic of Ragusa. One more tagline is the City of Walls. Dubrovnik is renowned for its massive and well-preserved defensive walls, making this an apt tagline. Another tagline is King's Landing, a modern nickname given after Dubrovnik served as a filming location for Game of Thrones, representing the capital of Westeros. We are already close to Dubrovnik and we took a quick stop here to adore this beautiful pebble beach. We are reaching Dubrovnik and you can see the huge cruise ships here and guess the crowd we will be finding at the old town of Dubrovnik. Having the town map comes handy and makes it easier to explore the town. Before entering the old town of Dubrovnik, we came across this beautiful scenic viewpoint near the Nautica restaurant, offering breathtaking views of Bokar Bastion. Here we are at the Pile Gate, the main entrance to Dubrovnik's old town, built in the 15th century as part of city's defensive walls. Notice the stone bridge and the wooden drawbridge, once crucial for defense. If you are planning to walk the city walls, this is the starting point. Just make sure to grab your tickets in advance, and especially during the busy season. As we enter through the Pile Gate, on the right side is Onofrio's large fountain built in 1438. By the way, it's not just a monument, it still provides drinking water for both locals and tourists today. On the left side is the Franciscan monastery dating back to 1300s. It's known for its stunning cloister library and one of Europe's oldest pharmacies, still in operation since 1317. We are now at Stradun, the iconic main street of Dubrovnik, and what makes it so special is the polished limestone which reflects the sunlight and makes the old town glow, especially at sunset. As we walk through the old town, we notice several shops selling themed ducks. These little guys come dressed as knights, sailors, and even Game of Thrones characters, reflecting Dubrovnik's mix of history and pop culture. And did you know Dubrovnik got its name from the old Slavic word dub, which means oak. This area used to be once covered in oak forest. Here you can see the North Gate or the Luza Gate, which is an elevated side entrance to Dubrovnik's old town, offering stunning views of the city and easy access via a stepped alley. Located near the cable car, it provides a perfect spot for panoramic views and sunsets. We are now at Luza Square, which is the vibrant heart of Dubrovnik's old town, surrounded by iconic landmarks. To the east stands the Place Gate, once a trade entrance to the port, with its historic stone structure and drawbridge. Nearby is the Sponza Palace, a stunning mix of Gothic and Renaissance styles, now home to archives dating back to 1022. Overlooking the square is the bell tower, a 15th century landmark with a bronze clock and hourly chimes. Across from it, the Church of St. Blaise, built in 1715, honors the city's patron saint with an ornate altar inside. Next to the bell tower is the City Hall, which is home to Dubrovnik's local government, blending historic architecture with modern civic life. And just around the corner stands the Rector's Palace, a stunning Gothic Renaissance building that once housed the city's ruler and now serves as a museum. So the Luza Square leads us to Gudulik Square, which is known for its bustling morning market and nearby cafes, which is perfect for a quick break and also the souvenir shopping while exploring the old town.
The main church, Rector's Palace, and we are now here. So actually this was a house.
From Gudulik Square, we can see the Jesuit stairs, which is one of Dubrovnik's most charming spots. It's reached by the grand Baroque stairs, often compared to Rome's Spanish steps. By the way, these stairs were also featured in Game of Thrones during the iconic Walk of Shame scene, making them a popular spot for photos. Standing here at the square, take a moment to look up at the imperial fort on the third mountain, built by the French in 1810. It stands tall above the city, offering those unbeatable views of Dubrovnik, Lokrum Island and the Adriatic Sea. We are now at Dubrovnik Cathedral, also known as Cathedral of the Assumption of Virgin Mary. It was built in 1713 in Baroque style after the original church was destroyed in 1667 earthquake. Passing through the sea gate leads from Dubrovnik's old town to the bustling western harbour, once the main arrival point for ships. It offers stunning Adriatic views with the city walls as a striking backdrop. This is a quarantine station which was built in 1627 to isolate the ill and prevent plagues in the city. We are now entering through the Fisherman's Gate, which is a more secluded entrance to the old town that was once used by the fishermen, bringing in their daily catch. Wandering through Dubrovnik's narrow alleys reveals the city's hidden charm. Each turn offers a glimpse of daily life, with laundry hanging above and the sunlight filtering through the ancient walls. Walking along the city walls, we cross Revelin Bridge, which links the Revelin fortress to the old town. Built in the 16th century mainly for the defense, today is a vibrant cultural hub with a museum and events. By the way, fans of Game of Thrones may recognize this bridge as it was featured in show's iconic scenes. After enjoying the stunning views and crystal clear waters at Banje beach, We are now heading back to the heart of Dubrovnik's old town. An interesting fact about Dubrovnik. Did you know Dubrovnik was its own republic for over 400 years? It had its own government, currency and diplomatic relations, making it a key player in region's history. Dubrovnik's 2-kilometer-long city walls are some of the best preserved medieval defenses you will find anywhere in the world. Climbing them gives you amazing views of the old town and the sparkling sea. As we wrap up our journey through the incredible old town of Dubrovnik, we have experienced a perfect blend of history, culture, and breathtaking views. From the iconic city walls to the stunning Banje beach, it's an unforgettable adventure. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, keep exploring.